Since January 20, 2023, our system ranks SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.557. In this period the stock has had a gain of 2.48%. This is an average return of 0.41% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, Green Day on Friday for SPY. The SPY ETF price gained 0.230% on the last trading day, Friday, January 27, 2023, rising from $404.75 to $405.68. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 1.17% from a day low at $403.44 to a day high of $408.16. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.2% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -3 million shares and in total, 68 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $27.58 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $462.07, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 12.2%, or $56.39, below 52-week high and 15.48%, or $74.30, below all-time high January 4, 2022 where the price hit $479.98. The ETF is at the upper part of a horizontal trend and normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but a breakup through the top trend line at $410.85 will give a strong buy signal and a trend shift could be expected. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 1.48% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -5.80% and 2.77%. The 12-month trend indicates a -13.26% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -29.81% and -14.06%. This equals a price between $284.74 and $348.64 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SPY. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $399.45 and $390.81. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 19, 2023, and so far it has risen 4.38%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $394.49, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved $4.72, 1.17%, between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.37%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $407.12. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $394.49, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $390.21, minus 3.81%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 6 days ago. Is SPY ETF a buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for SPY ETF to perform well in the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 30th, we expect SPY to open up $0.0800 and start trading at $405.76. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember,